kind of got myself in a little pickle. Help's on the way though, so don't panic. I have Christina staying here, and she moved her RV back to where mine was. Let me show you here. So yeah, her RV's back where mine was, or motorhome. And I put my camper over there. Great idea, or so I thought. The problem is, I forgot that I have a tilt out. It's like a slide out, but it tilts. And I got a little close. I'll show you. I can't see, my tilt out is right there, and I've got maybe a foot. So, and the problem is I'm scared to back out because I have to take it out at kind of that angle, and I'm afraid this front end's going to hit this gate thing. So I've called my yard guy who left me the fence, because he was going to put a sliding fence along my backyard in the front of Christina's RV up there. A rolling fence, whatever it's called, I don't know. And he never got it done. He put up a wood fence instead, which is fine. But then he left this iron rolling fence, whatever it is. So I called the yard guy and said, hey, this is my problem. I need you to come and get this out of here. And I'm thinking, if I get, let me show you, if I get this fence out of here, let me turn around. If I get this metal fence out of here, this one, and I clear out some of the plants, I can put the RV right back where it is. Like if I clear out those plants right in there with this raised up, tilted out, it ought to fit if I put it right back where it is after getting this fence out of here. So I've got a couple people coming to help me, because there's like that much room between my RV and this fence. Don't even ask me how I got it in there. I don't have a clue. I'm just a good driver. But anyway, what we have to do is pull my truck out, turn it around, and we have to drive it up, probably up to where Christina's RV is, and then back my truck up and hook it up and then keep backing up. And the thing I'm afraid of is, will I be able to get my truck in this area straight enough to back straight out? I don't know. I'm not that good at backing up, so I called for help. So eventually they'll be here. They're bringing a trailer to load that gate thing, I don't know what it's called, on, which will leave me plenty of room in my driveway. I mean, I could even move over 4 or 5 feet, 4 feet-ish. But the problem with moving over is I can't get my truck out if I leave my truck. Yeah, I don't know. It's just a big mess that I've created all by myself. Talented girl that I am. Anyway, if and when people start showing up to help get me out of this bind, literally, I'll turn the camera back on.